Hello, Internet. This is just a quick video to show you how to enumerate your own home network. What that means is let's find out what devices may be connected to your home network. So this would be both Wi-Fi and wired. So I'm on my Windows PC and I'm going to use a program here called Zenmap. Zenmap is a graphical user interface for another program called Nmap. Basically meaning network mapper. And what we're going to do is we're just going to use this to scan our network very quickly and just kind of see what is on our network. So I have it installed and open here, and you may need to run it as administrator in order to do this. So you'll need to be in that mode on your computer when you open it. So the first thing we need to do is input the target, and the target is our home network. So a lot of times your home network is going to be like a 192.168.something.something/24. This is probably the most common. If you have changed this, then you probably should already know what it is. But if not, you would just want to double check, with your router. Your router will usually be 192.168.something.1, and the network that we're going to then scan would be .0. So in my case, I'm 192.168.3.0/24. So I won't go into any more about IP addressing and host bits and network bits and all that for now. Just know that you'll need to know your home network address and subnet mask, which is the /24. Now, normally Zenmap has us here doing an intent scan. That can take quite a while. So I'm just going to do what's called a ping scan. And a ping scan basically means what Nmap or Zenmap is going to do is it's going to try to ping every host on the network. So in this case, our network is 192.168.3, and our host is .0, .1, .2, .3, .4, all the way up to 255. So let's go ahead and we'll do the scan. And this shouldn't take too long. Look at that, it's already done. So basically what, again, Nmap did is it went out and it tried to ping, it tried to send a, hey, knock knock, is anybody home? And it wanted to see if there was going to be a yes. So at .1, .12, .89, 131, 145, basically they went knock knock and somebody said, yep, somebody's home, and then that's it, it stopped. It didn't really know anything else after that. Now, for a couple of these, you'll notice that it also was able to resolve the MAC address for the device. And so it's also Zenmap is going and it's resolving this to like a manufacturer. So for example, this one here so it actually goes like this. So this is all one entry. So .12 here, this is my MacBook that I'm using to remote into my PC. So from the MAC address of my MacBook, it knew, okay, this is an Apple product. The next one here, .89, it was able to resolve that to my Roomba, to the iRobot. So this is just a quick example of what you can do and go through and just see what's available on your network. Because you kind of control both sides of it, I went and kind of made this list here. So for example, .1 I know is my router, .12 I know is my MacBook, etc. Now I did have some things here like this .131. I have an idea of what this is, but I haven't really checked it. I can tell that the MAC address resolves to this, what looks like a Chinese electronics company. So it gives me an idea. I think it might be my little security camera that I have set up. So anyway, this is just a cool little example of how to use the Zenmap interface where you don't really need to know any of the command codes or anything, and it's going to tell you what is on your network. Last little caveat I'll just put here is that it's obviously, if it's your home network, then feel free, you can go ahead and it's all your own equipment, it's all your own stuff. But be very careful, don't run this on a network you don't have permission to run it on. A lot of computers will keep logs, and so if you try to run it, let's say on maybe your neighbor's network, or you try to run it on a network that you're not supposed to, then there could be logs of that, and people, hey, why did you scan my network? What was going on here? So just be a little careful, make sure you're only scanning your home network.